The prosecution, having established the guilt beyond reasonable doubt of the following accused who are found to have acted as principal, namely Datu Andal Unsay Ampatuan Jr., Datu Anwar Sajid Datu Ulo Ampatuan, Datu Anwar Datu EP Ampatuan Jr., Police Inspector Saudi Muhammad, PO1 Jonathan Engid, Abedin Alamada, alias Commander Bedi, Talembo Tami Masukat, alias Talembo Kahar Abdul Rahman, Theng P. Sali, alias Abdullah Hamid Abdul Kahar, Mani Ampatuan, Nasser Esmael, alias Nasruddin Esmael, Datu Zaldi Ampatuan, Police Chief Inspector Sukarno Dikay, Police Superintendent Abu Sama Mundas Magid, Police Superintendent Banarin Kamaong, Datu Anwar Ampatuan Sr., Tato Tampogaw, Muhades Ampatuan, Muhammad T. Datu Manong alias Nicomedes Ahmad Tolentino, Miswari Ampatuan, Taya Bangkulat Salik Bangkulat, Thong Yamano alias Ibrahim Kamal Tatak, Sani K. Pindi alias Joven Salazar Piang, alias Bimbo Salazar Piang, Armando Ambalgan alias Hamil Bulatukan Kayansang, Bulatukan Omar, testified as Omar Bulatukan Kayansang, Kudza Masukat Ugya alias Datu Teng Ibrahim or Mustafa Ibrahim, Edres Kasan alias Edres Gogo Alip, who testified as Edres Gugo Kasan, Zakaria P. Akil alias Quago Akil, and Samaon Andatuan. They are hereby convicted and sentenced to suffer the penalty of imprisonment